Hi everybody! I'm making this video to show you how to create Python files. I was creating assignment 1 and I saw a lot of people who were doing it wrong and they were submitting the wrong files. So I've created a video that will show you how to create the Python file. So first you'll have to start idle. So idle comes with Python and it's a basic IDE for writing Python code. So I have both Python 2.4 and 3, but this course is using 2.4, so we are using 2.4. Once this window comes up, you don't have to print your code here, and then copy paste the entire code. Some of the students have been doing this. This is not the right way to do it. So once the IDE comes up, go to File and add a new file. So a new file should pop up, and this is where you'll be putting your code. So right now what I'm doing is I'm creating a variable called myName that will get the input from the user. Then I will print this input onto the console. I have this space here. I'll show you why these spaces are here later. So then you just print name. To save it, you can either hit Control S to save it, or go to File and click Save to save the file. I'm just using Control S. So save the file with the name print name, and you don't have to put the .py here. That format will automatically come up when you save the file as a Python file, so I don't have to write .py. So it is saved as printname.py. So to run the shell, you either go to run the shell, or hit F5. It will give me my name and, oh wait, looks like there's an error. Python will automatically tell you exactly where the error is. Looks like there's a trace error in the Python file printname.py in line 2. And the error is on the print function, so print name, where name is not defined. Oh, it looks like that's because the variable name is my name. So I'll change it and hit Control S to save. Run it with F5 and it prints my name. I put an extra space here just to give my user space so that he can differentiate between his input and the output from the program. This is good practice. It's not required, but it's a good idea to put a space here. The other thing is that I've been seeing a lot of students not give their variables meaningful names. So they give their variables names like A, B, or C. For example, if we have attributes like height and base, we can call our variables height and base, and we can say here, please enter the height, and then you can print height here instead of my name. And if you are trying to save it in a file and you're trying to use it, you can just save it again as another variable. Instead of just giving h, have the height be multiplied by So this is just an example. So instead of h, you could say height multiply. Although it's a long name, we could have used this name. Also, sometimes it is a good idea to include a comment. For your assignments, I will be looking at your code documentation and docking points if you're not including comments in your code. So to write a comment, use a hash symbol. So I'll write hashtag height multiply as multiplication. And then you can just save it and it will work. So that's how you create Python files. Hopefully this will help. Thanks.